Okay, pretty recent roof installation. Actually, looks like it's a pretty recent rain gutter installation as well. That's a good thing. I'm going to complain about the rain gutter butt ends being too close to the walls and we're not having flat kick-out flashing there in those details. That's what I'm going to complain about. I'm also going to complain about that the rain gutter was improperly installed in front of the drip edge flashing. The drip edge flashing is supposed to cascade down over the back of the rain gutter. The way it is now, water can migrate between the drip edge flashing and the rain gutter onto the wooden soffit underneath, under this area right here. That's where the water's going. Look at it. It's right back there, right on top of there. Okay, there's something going on with the roof vents that I don't wholly understand, but I can tell by looking at this vent right there, the one in the middle, right there, is clogged with lint. That's a clothes dryer vent. That's the wrong type of vent for a clothes dryer. I thought this was the clothes dryer vent, which is still the wrong type of vent. I'm not sure what that goes to, but you can see the flashing plate is bowing up right there. So that could cause a leak. That could cause a problem. Another thing that I'm seeing, I don't know if I'll be able to see this from the attic. I can see it from here. So this is kind of like an attic video too, huh? These box vents, some people call them turtle vents. But if you look around the fireplace chimney right there, you see that twirly bird up there? It's a passive wind turbine vent. You're not supposed to have mixed ventilation systems. It's supposed to either all be these or all be those. One or the other. Now if it's working for you, well, I don't know what to say. I'm just saying what it should and should not be.